Bucky John, Tractor Worx. We at home Saturday morning. Rained most of the day yesterday. We're gonna try to get some of the attachments switched around. We got a house pad to build in Winsboro, South Carolina Monday. So we're trying to get stuff changed around and all. Get the attachments off the trailer. But just want to let y'all know that we do lane clearing, light lane clearing, stuff like this you see on the fence. We do stuff like that. There was a dogwood tree right there. We removed it Monday. I didn't get no video of it because the camera messed up. But I did try to get some, but it didn't work. But we removed trees and stuff like that, people, and we try to get clean up bushes and stuff, grow up and all. Lane clearing, grading, scrape driveway, spread rock, dirt, put out mulch, pine needles. We mow yards. We got big old blowing equipment. Now we can do blow off driveways and all. I'm gonna make a edging attachment to go on the Bobcat. On the edge of the concrete and sidewalks, I'm gonna try to make a attachment where we can go down through there and roll that dirt over, grass and all, away from the edge of the concrete. I'm gonna try to work on that some this summer. This winter, so we can have it for next spring and summer. Also looking in getting the aerator, skid steer aerator, so we can aerate the yards and stuff, and all like that. Here come Andrew back. He's gonna swing around there and get the grapple, I think. That's the only place you can go right now. And all. Bit. Come in. Alright. Tilt it back. Alright, you got it. But we grind stumped, we clean up yards, like the pine needles and stuff you see like that in people's yard. They might pile it up because they got no city services or no way to really burn it. They get it out the yard, they pile it up, we come in, I'll pick it up, scoop it up, put it in the dump trailer, and haul it off for them. You know, I do a little bit of everything. we can do about this tree puller. Probably going to have to lay this down a minute. Put it on pause. But we'll see what we can figure out here in a minute.
Reach and grab it from there because I still got room to pull up.
Alright. Well, be careful getting on that thing. Don't slip.
You want this back where it was?
Yeah.
Okay.
Be fine.
I'll sit it back on that block.
I don't think it was sitting on the block, was it? But it ain't got to sit on the block.
Okay.
I don't want it no danger of tipping over.
Okay.
It'd be probably best just put it on the flat on the ground.
Okay.
Yeah, I know the tree puller is bent. We working with some big pines a while back. Probably a little bit bigger than we should have had. Now, reason why it's like that. But so, you know, you live and learn. Sometimes it works right, sometimes it don't. I'm not complaining. Small trees and all, you know, small bushes and all like that right there. Like that one straight out there in front of my finger. Like that one, pull it up, no problem. It's just anything like 7, 8 inches or it's just tough for it to pull up anything that big. You know, and anybody that watches my channel, you will never see us drive them skid steer, track, any of them straight up on that trailer. All of them will be backed on. We back them all on, regardless. And all. But I done had too many wild experiences of that thing trying to front end come off the ground when you're backing it off the trailer. Stuff like that, just safety. Andrew can tell you I stress safety all the time. Watch what you're doing, be safe, and above all, don't push the machine harder than you got to, or what it was intentionally designed for. This is Bucky, Carolina Tractor Worx. We're going to get off here. Y'all have a great day. Mental Sacker Lackey. Y'all have a great day. Be safe.